This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for February 21st, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.16 points or 0.04% to 409.3. Total trade volume was up with 50,371 shares changing hands at a total value of 295.8 million real or over 74,000 US dollars. On the main board, two stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestec Cambodia, up 1.23% or 30 real to 2,460 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, which was up 0.42% or 60 real to 14,360 real per share. On the downside, three stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, down 0.51% or 60 real to 11,640 real per share, followed by Grand Twins International, which dropped 0.33% or 20 real to 6,080 real per share. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority was also down 20 real to 6,240 real per share. Meanwhile, the rest of the main board remained flat. Over on the growth board, both stocks were down. DBD Engineering dropped 0.96% or 20 real to 2,060 real per share, while JS Land dropped 0.33% or 10 real to 3,060 real per share. Akleda Bank once again recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 25,215 shares changing hands at a total value of 182 million real or over 45,500 US dollars, approximately 50% of Friday's total trade volume. Cam GSM recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 12,114 shares changing hands at a total value of 29.3 million real or about 7,300 US dollars, which was about 24% of February 21st trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,012 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly up to 106.62. Looking at global commodities, oil prices edged down on Friday, but were still poised for a weekly rise on concerns over supply disruptions in Russia and an improving outlook for demand in the United States and China. Brent futures slipped 22 cents or 0.27% to 76.27 US dollars a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude eased 22 cents or 0.3% to 72.26 US dollars. Both have gained about 2% this week, the largest weekly advance since early January. Brent would be marking a second week of gains after 3 weeks of declines. West Texas Intermediate is set to have its first week of gains after 4 weeks of declines. Gold prices edged lower but remained on track for an eighth week of gains, supported by safe haven demand on concerns over U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff threats. Spot gold was down 0.3% to $2,931.19 US dollars an ounce after hitting an all-time high of $2,954.69 US dollars on Thursday. Bullion has added more than 1% so far this week and is set for its longest weekly winning streak since mid-2020. U.S. stock futures were little changed early Friday after the major averages slid following a lackluster earnings forecast from retail giant Walmart. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures slipped 14 points or less than 0.1%. S&P 500 futures traded 0.09% lower, while Nasdaq 100 futures traded around the flat line. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for February 21st. Have a great weekend.